So it's the last day, and we're gonna go for a walk, I guess. See what else we can see. This was a beautiful area. These are the places you could rent. Very comfortable, very nice actually. Where?
We're gonna go park where we had the hot chocolate last night.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, where we did the glissade, and then we're gonna.
Are we gonna walk in this area?
Yeah.
No, it's part of the fun, who cares? She's acting normal. Look at this guy.
Hello, this is me, Normandy. Hello.
How's it going, Miss Aloha? Last activity of the day. Let's go slide.
Have fun.
Okay, go. Wait. Oh, that was so good.